Hello everyone, in this video we'll be talking about route methods. In our previous video we just worked with the get method, if you recall, but Laravel provides around 5 or 6 methods that we can work with. So in this video we'll discuss about them. There won't be any kind of practical example of these methods in this video. We will cover those in our future videos. Let's see what kind of more method Laravel has. Let me take a command. So first method is get method. We already saw that. Basically get method used for request a resource from database, and then we have post method. So if we want to create a resource in database, we will use post method for it. Then there is another method, put method. So what put method does, if I want to modify or update any kind of resource in database, I will use put method for it. And there is another method like similar to put method, it's patch method. It also modified a resource in database. Now you can get confused why these two methods do the same stuff. Basically put method can update multiple resources at the same time, and patch method only update a resource. Then there is also delete method. So you can just tell by its name, delete method can delete a resource from database. And there is another method called options. Basically we don't use it much, so we will not talk about it. So majority time we will work with these 5 methods, and this 5 method is kind of enough for us. Now suppose you want to create a post route, how you will do that? It's kind of simple. We'll say route : then our method will be post. Right now if you want to make a put route, then the method will be put, as like we take the previously we take get route for creating our route. Same here, you just have to replace the method with your need. That's all. So that's it for a route method video. See you at the next one.